Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to show you how to change the sticky header logo on WordPress blocksy Mobile. Okay, to get started, let's go ahead and press F12 on your keyboard, and that should bring up the console. And if it doesn't automatically change it, there's a button over here called Toggle Device Toolbar, or you press Ctrl plus Shift plus M at the same time on your keyboard, and this should give you the mobile preview. Oops. Okay. And we don't have our sticky header enabled on mobile, and neither do we have a different logo for it because we don't have it enabled. So let's go ahead and click on Customize. All right. It's this one with the paintbrush over here, and that should take us to the WordPress customizer. Okay, and before we get started with anything else, let's go ahead and check out these three buttons over here. These three buttons are our previews. So we have our desktop preview, our tablet preview, and our mobile preview. So for this video, let's just keep it on the mobile preview. And you can see we don't have our mobile header being sticky. So we can either click on Edit over here, our main row, or click on Header over here. And you can see we have our options, and we have our headers over here. We can click on this and our global header, and we can click on sticky functionality, and we can enable all rows. We only have one row here, but we'll just enable all three of them, and you can see it's now sticky. Okay, now to the main meat of our video. We have this element over here called logo, and we've drag and drop it over here. We can either click on this or click on this, and you can see we have our main logo here. So let's go ahead and change it to the website assets one. Okay, and then, or actually let's change it to the big one over here, right? Okay, I'll select this one to be our normal logo. Okay, and then for our sticky logo, we'll use the small one, the square one, right? And now that we'll make it a bit bigger, I guess. Yeah. And then we can make it a bit smaller when it's on the sticky state. Okay. Now let's go ahead and scroll down, and you can see we have our sticky state shrink size, and we can also remove this, right? And you can see that when we go on the sticky mode, it becomes smaller. So we can either have that, or again, we can have a different logo altogether. So just for this video, let's go with the smaller logo, and let's just not worry about the sticky state shrink and keep it at that. So once we're happy with our changes, let's go ahead and click on Publish. And these are our changes saved. And back to our live site, we have our logo here and our header that isn't sticky. Let's go ahead and click refresh, and you can see we now have our own logo there, and the sticky header logo is completely different from our regular header one. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.